how do you look at the economy
Now,
now?
para may visual tayo, parang ganun rin. I rate it also with the performance of the president. Just still above board.
Nandun pa rin.
Not exceedingly well, but just enough for the Filipino to be at least comfortable. So we're at about 6 and 6.5. 7 kasi is a very desirable one.
Yes, ma'am.
Wala nang kakaabot ng 10 in any country. It's always about 8.
Yeah.
Even the progressive nations in Europe, hindi nakakaabot ng 10. Mga 8, hindi ngayon 8.5. Just about 7 to 1.
So okay pa rin tayo, Mayor, sa tingin mo ngayon?
Okay pa tayo. Yung value ng pera natin.